Welcome to Striking Chameleon, your portal to the wild and wondrous world of nature. Today, we're venturing to the remote and mysterious Galapagos Islands to uncover the 5 most terrifying animals that call this unique archipelago home. These creatures are vital to the Galapagos' delicate ecosystem and will definitely send shivers down your spine. So, without further delay, let's jump right in. Number 5. Darwin's Goliath centipede. One of the largest centipedes in the world, the Scolopendra galapagensis, often known as Darwin's Goliath centipede, is an astounding 43 centimeters in length. This animal, which lives in the Galapagos archipelago, inspires both terror and fascination. The most feared animal in the entire archipelago due to its intimidating size and intimidating appearance. The Darwin's Goliath centipede seeks refuge during the day in arid areas, frequently hiding in cracks and crevices. But as dusk strikes, it emerges to scavenge the forested area for prey. Despite being an invertebrate, this centipede is a persistent predator, known to eat tiny birds, lizards, and even insects. Its hunting skill is aided by a set of powerful teeth that can bite prey with poison. Even though Darwin's Goliath centipede is a terrifying animal in and of itself, it is not impervious to predators. It is preyed upon by a number of Galapagos wildlife, including the Galapagos hawk, night herons, and mockingbirds. It is a formidable but ultimately harmless presence in this particular habitat, despite its bite being painfully unpleasant for humans. This centipede provides evidence of the complex network of predator-prey interactions that exist in the Galapagos Islands and contribute to the great biodiversity of the island. Number 4. Galapagos scorpions. 2 fascinating scorpion species, Centroides exsul and Hadroroides maculatus, an indigenous subspecies of the common yellow scorpion, silently occupy the fascinating Galapagos Islands' distinctive environments. Despite the fact that these scorpions may make people afraid because of their notoriety, their stings don't usually do great harm to people. These mysterious creatures are nocturnal, coming out at night to go on their hunting adventures. They pursue their prey, which is frequently other invertebrates, and precisely capture it with the help of their powerful stingers and sharp claws. In this harsh habitat, the venomous sting quickly immobilizes its victims, securing a meal. Even though they are less well known than other of the island's more well-known residents, Galapagos scorpions are an essential part of the complex web of life that makes up this particular ecosystem. Their presence serves as a testament to the Galapagos Islands' incredible diversity and adaptability. We can learn important things about the evolution and survival tactics of these mystery predators in a far-off region of our globe by learning more about their environment. Number 3. Vampire finch. The vampire finch, a subspecies of the sharp-beaked ground finch, lives in the northern sections of the Galapagos Islands, notably on the islands of Wolf and Darwin. It is an interesting and a little eerie local. The very dry weather on these islands has influenced the formation of distinctive eating behavior in these birds. The vampire finch has developed a rather macabre method to add much-needed fluids and protein to its diet. These small finches nick at other birds' legs, wings, and tails in order to draw blood and consume it. It's interesting to note that the Galapagos archipelago's 3 booby species are frequently the targets of these vampire assaults. The vampire finch's insatiable appetite makes this even more amazing. In addition to adult birds, it also preys on their helpless chicks and even their eggs. This peculiar feeding technique exemplifies the incredible adaptations that have arisen in the remote and distinct habitats of the Galapagos Islands, where survival frequently necessitates unconventional tactics. Even while it may appear a little frightening in the process, the vampire finch is an excellent illustration of nature's ability to adapt to difficult conditions. Number 2. Redlipped Batfish. The redlipped batfish is a rare native species that can reach a maximum length of 10 inches in the Galapagos Islands, which are well known for their amazing nature. These creatures are distinctive due to their unusual behavior and appearance. Typically found on rocky or sandy seafloors, redlipped batfish have extremely unusual pectoral fins that have developed into appendages that allow them to gently walk across the water's surface. They are often found on the seabed. However, they will occasionally come to the surface and can be seen at the borders of reefs. The west and south of the archipelago serve as the principal home for these intriguing fish since they prefer colder waters. Red-lipped batfish, also known as anglerfish, have an eye-catching growth on their heads called an elysium that they use as a lure to entice prey, such as small crustaceans like shrimp, mollusks, and smaller fish. During your diving or snorkeling trip in the Galapagos, keep an eye out for their grey backs, which frequently have a brown line of darts running from head to tail. Their striking characteristic, however, the brilliant blood red lips that give the appearance that they are wearing vibrant lipstick, is what really gives them their name. For those who are fortunate enough to see these unusual underwater dwellers during their Galapagos cruise, it is a stunning sight. Number 1. Galapagos Giant Huntsman. The extraordinary Galapagos Giant Huntsman spider lives in the distinct environments of the Galapagos Islands. This spider, which can grow to a massive 10 centimeters in width, is a fearsome predator in its surroundings. It stands out not just for its amazing size, but also for its extraordinary hunting skills and captivating demeanor. The Galapagos Giant Huntsman is an active predator, unlike many other spiders that depend on webs to catch their prey. It moves quickly across its habitat, hunting down prey and pouncing on them with amazing accuracy. Once caught, it may administer a deadly venomous bite that can be highly unpleasant and unnerving, even though it won't kill people. This spider's unusual courtship behavior may make it even more fascinating or terrifying, depending on your point of view. The male spider quickly moves its abdomen while firmly anchoring its feet, creating a characteristic vibrating sound during this dance of desire. This fascinating vibrational wooing is crucial for this extraordinary species' successful mating, in addition to being hypnotic. Even while the Galapagos Giant Huntsman isn't a direct threat to people, its fearsome hunting skills, poisonous bite, and interesting behaviors serve as a striking reminder of the ecosystem's remarkable diversity and adaptations. With their extraordinary inhabitants and distinctive strategies for surviving in the wild, these islands never cease to astonish us. As we conclude our exploration of the top 5 most terrifying animals living in Galapagos, remember that nature's terrors often hold the key to the planet's beauty and balance. These creatures, though fearsome, are a testament to the marvels of evolution and the wonders of biodiversity. The Galapagos Islands remain a sanctuary for these unique beings, reminding us of the importance of conservation and preservation. If you're as fascinated by the natural world as we are, join us on our journey to uncover more of its mysteries. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Striking Chameleon, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for our next adventure. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep protecting our planet.